click you need to know is this idea of connecting food and money and idea of feeling this much is enough for me is a poverty mental setup. Please understand, Indians highly suffer with this poverty mental setup. I wanted all of you to know, don't settle with the idea this much is enough. No. Create left and right. And if you don't want to possess, share it with the world. But don't build a setup that this is enough. This is enough curtails your expression, your creativity. I wanted all of you to know, when you start feeling this is enough, when you have a line, it is not that you are a big, great guy. No. You are great when you don't say enough, when you create. While you create, no question of enough. While you celebrate, you can have enough. Understand? When you possess, you can have enough. You can say, this much let me possess, that's enough. Other things, let it go to society in various other ways. When you are creating, if you have enough, you have a sickness. So, I wanted all of you to know, no question of enough while you create. Then what will happen? Your creativity will stop. You will not flower. You will not reach the ultimate. You will not have the fulfillment. You will not be exploding. So during creation, no enough. Only while you possess, you have freedom for enough. Anybody else? Please come. So now you need to break the mental setup of enough.
Yeah, good evening to all. Actually, I came from Tamil Nadu village. I have started my, after 10th fail, I have started working. And I am having a very strong idea that even now I am staying in Chennai, I am doing a business. But still I am struggling. I am having very strong idea. My religious people will never grow. That is a basic idea which I am having it. And second thing is that mental setup I am having it. Still I am getting lot of money which I cannot equalize it properly. So that setup I am having it.
See, he has one black engram, one wrong engram, that my community people will never grow. These are some of the engrams put in the mind in the Indian villages, that certain community never creates wealth, certain community always creates wealth. He says, even though he has created so much wealth, still that feeling, my community never grows, is there. I think now you know the problem. Break it, that's all. Here there are some messages from different cities. Why don't you guys also directly talk? New Jersey, come on, I'll read out our message. All my life from when I was 2, my mom always told me I was born to give, not to receive. How do I deal with this? You need to know, you can give only if you have. You need to create. And there is one more message from Redondo Beach. Money causes people to fight against one another. We must compete for wealth. Oh, this is the complete wrong idea. Please understand, you don't need to, you see, only to grab wealth you need to compete. But to create wealth, you don't need to compete. While you are creating wealth, all people who create wealth complement each other. Please understand. There are two ways to have wealth. One, creating. Another one, grabbing. Only while you grab, you compete with each other. While you create, you complement each other. Creation of wealth is totally different from grabbing the wealth or robbing the wealth. Only while you are robbing or grabbing, you need to compete. Here I am asking you to create, not to compete. Now, we will do the next process. Maybe that will make more understanding to all of you guys. Now find out your partner, next person to you. Sit as pairs. Please sit as pairs. Sit as pairs. Just turn. Sit as pairs. Even in all the other cities, please sit as pairs. Find out one partner, one friend for you, with whom you can talk now, with whom you can share. Start sharing, start talking. Actually, whatever you wrote now, start talking, start sharing. See, you will understand only while you talk and share, the other person will be able to point all the wrong engrams you have created, and when he shares, you will be able to point all the wrong engrams he is carrying. Alright, first, the right side batch, start talking. Start sharing. The right side batch means this side, this group. Start sharing what you wrote. Then I'll get the essence from you guys. Start sharing the money engrams you created. Start discussing clearly. You see, I wanted first the right side team to talk. You share your problems, the other person can give clarity. Then after that, the left side team should start. See, don't start talking about your problem when you are listening the other person's. When you are listening other person's, listen completely. Only help him to find out his wrong engrams, wrong mental setup. Then you can tell your story. Don't start immediately. Before even the other person completes, you don't start. Listen to my sad story first. No. First listen to their story. Then you can start your story. So this side, for example, if you are sitting as two, my right side, this side will talk first. Listen sincerely. Listen sincerely and try to help the person, other person. Understand. Share enlightenment. Enlighten the other person first. You will have enlightenment. Talk in detail. Whatever you wrote, express in very detailed way. Explain and express properly. Better to get somebody who knows your mother tongue. You should make others also rich. Only then the real Acharya will be. Make others rich, in that have a little bit for you. Couples don't sit together. Of course, in India, no problem. Men and women are separate. In other countries, if you don't sit with your husband or wife, otherwise you will carry that continuously in your headache. The N-Wealth program will continue even in the house. While you talk properly and express, you will understand the wrong engrams you are carrying. Unless you talk it out, you can't catch it. You should know, we are now conducting the program in 29 cities, in 10 countries, 11 countries, in 5 continents. Without India and Bangalore, 28 cities. So naturally with Bangalore, 29 cities, with India, 11 countries. Thank you. Let's gather for next session.